Hi everybody, welcome to our easy holiday duets. This is our practice video for Jingle Bells. There is a link down below where you can download the sheet music. First we'll start with the duet and the accompaniment at performance tempo, and then we'll go back and practice the individual parts at a slower tempo. So here's the full duet, and you can listen or you can practice playing along. Now let's practice the individual parts, part A and part B, one at a time, at a slower tempo. When we put the sheet music on the screen, you'll see that we have the note names written underneath each note. And this is for our beginners out there who might need some extra help remembering their notes. You want to work on memorizing your note names, and you don't want to write your note names in your sheet music at home. So here's part A, the melody. Now let's practice part B, the harmony part. As you practice your music, make sure you're sitting with proper posture, you're holding your instrument with proper holding position, and as always, make sure you're keeping a nice, steady beat. Once you've practiced and you think you're ready to perform, you can put on a little concert for your family or friends. You can play part A by yourself as a solo, or get together with a friend and play part A and part B as a duet. Hope you enjoyed this lesson, everybody. Thanks for watching. Now go practice.